This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Barbara Lasky. Completely renovated, real 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. Just like a new. Newer roof and flat roof, stainless steel appliances, kitchen, bath, floors, ceilings, hurricane awnings on all windows, large laundry room and garage can FITO and a small car in one large car lengthwise beautiful tranquil new cement patio overlooking canal and back. In front a large porch. This home is a one-of-a-kind, can be a 4-bedroom easily. Must see this beauty. For more information, review the details below or contact Barbara Lasky at 954-752-5100.